It is like we are saying, there is a slang song that is like we are saying the rest of Kenyans, like people who come from Turkana. I didn't see Senator, but nowadays, Mr. Speaker, they have oil. I can see even the face of Senator Lomenen has changed, because you know that's dollar money. It's called oil money, Mr. Speaker. It's like we are telling the rest of Kenyans, enda usikie vibaya huko kwenu. There is a song that sings that, Mr. Speaker. But I know as Jurinjeka, you rarely visit some of those places where some of us listen to those songs. Mr. Speaker, we must agree as a nation that devolution to work, I've seen, and I saw some colleagues of mine, Article 96, and it is good the minority whip is in the House, and our senior, who represented this nation ably, Senior Senator Oburu Odinga, one of the youthful senators on the floor of the House, that for devolution to work, we must protect it. But we don't only protect it by giving resources, we must demand answers and accountability. Mr. Speaker, there is a misnomer, and it is good we have visitors, that the minority side have been pushing, that we slash money going to counties. I've seen our colleagues saying it in birthday parties, Mr. Speaker, in baby showers, in funerals, in weddings, Mr. Speaker, even in their bedrooms, telling their wives we have slashed their money. We have not, including their clandestines. We have not. The money that went, and the majority leader was with me here, Senator Aaron Cheruiyot and Senator Ledama, Senator Mwaruma, my very good friend, Senator Faki. Mr. Speaker, the money that went to counties in last financial year was 370 billion. The money that is going this year, and I want Kenyans to get this straight. You know, when they said in public rallies, we don't care because those are just stories and gossip, is 385 billion that was ascended by the president. There was additional 15 billion to counties. But the challenge we have in this country, 3 what? Mr. Speaker, you know,